I think this is the most snow we've had in years. Oh, det snöar. God morgon älsklingen. God morgon älsklingen. Vänta, var går du någonstans? Lämnar du mig? Hej! It looks so rough. We're getting so much snow. Oh, this is so exciting. I love snow. And we're gonna get even more this week. But these are like huge. Huge snowflakes. Oh, they're so fint. Oh, they're so sad.
I think this year is the snowiest of my 8 years here on Svalbard. Polar night brought endless stormy days, and we spent many days braving the winter darkness on Grim's daily walks or huddled up in the cabin in front of a fire as the storm roared outside. When the light started returning, the snowstorms kept coming, and we even experienced winds up to 74 miles per hour at one point. Weather can be very scary, and the forces of nature should be respected. But when you know you're in a safe spot, it can also be extremely fascinating and cozy. It is also equally fascinating to see how life continues here on our Arctic island, whatever the weather. Even though it's literal chaos outside, people walk to work, kids go to school. As soon as the storm settles, workers are busy clearing the streets. Life just continues as normal. And now we are getting even more snow, which I'm not complaining about. The more snow, the better. But as the winds are forecasted to be around 44 miles per hour tonight, we're just hoping it won't all blow in the ocean.
And we have more to come. Isn't this crazy, Christopher? To be honest, Svalbard isn't the snowiest place. There's like a lot of icy snow. Like we don't have powder. We never have powder. So the thing is, tomorrow we're gonna have 18 meters per second. It's gonna blow it all in the ocean. It happens every time. So today I'll just be out here, I don't know what this does, but it makes me happy. Look at this. Isn't this crazy? Look at how deep it is. This is also why you need to wear mukluks or some sort of high boots. Now that I say this, I see that Christopher's out in his indoor slippers. Christopher?
I have seal slippers.
You have seal slippers, but they're like this high on his little legs.
Yeah.
Not like this high.
True.
Oh, this is beautiful. Should we maybe go inside and have a coffee?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go inside. We coming. I wonder how much we're gonna get.
I don't know.
Actually, if I just went.
Maybe
I don't think I want to do that.
half a meter more.
Every time we come out of the polar night, it becomes more apparent to me how much I love it. I think what it is the way your home becomes your most important space and how the polar night offers a chance to slow down and appreciate the beauty of nature in its purest form. There's no rush to be anywhere or to do anything, so you can just relax and enjoy the simple pleasures of being in a warm and inviting space. So when the light returns and our dark nights are suddenly bright, I almost get a bit sad. It happens so fast, and knowing you have 4 months ahead of you without that comforting darkness, it's a lot. So as the snowstorm escalated outside, we took the time to enjoy what was probably one of the last few cozy and semi-dark evenings in front of our fireplace for quite a while.
vad mycket snö! Alltså! Kolla! Du får inte gå dit. I've never seen this much snow here. Look at it! That's crazy! Oh, we just cleared all of this out yesterday. Now, we have to do it again. But we do love a good challenge. We have a lot of snow to move.
Oh, that was a lot of snow.
What is it? What is it? This is so much, but it's actually really cold today. I think it's minus 15 degrees. So I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna put some more clothes on. I'll see you in a minute. I'm suited up. Ah. Oh. Oj. Helt sjukt. Vänta. Fan, min fot. Nej men gud. Åh nej! Åh herregud! Åh! Pretty well. So sorry guys, did I just do that? Oh, my hair. How do I look? Be honest. Terrific, I would say. We need to go down and do something with this situation. Okay, it's actually not that bad. Why am I good at this? Det är för att det har varit snö där. Herregud vad mycket snö. Oj. Nu är det nog lugnt. That's a good chunk. Well, so far, it's not too bad. So now I'm just gonna drain a little bit of the ice and the snow. We're not gonna put salt in it because it's not gonna make a difference. I think I'm pretty much done. But you know what, it's fine. It's fine. The sun is here as well. So did you know what we're gonna do, Christopher? We're gonna make a snow sofa. And we're gonna sit in the sunshine. Just like any spring day.
Yes.
Should we do that now?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you want to drink? I've had 2 coffee today. Can I have 3 coffees by 2 o'clock?
Probably.
Probably. I think that sounds like a good idea. Grim! Vi ska dricka kaffe och äta kanelbulle! We don't have any cinnamon buns.
At this moment, no one can tell where we should go or what's coming. We thought we had it, the truth about our common soul, that it was fantasy, nothing to put belief in. As soon as we saw the ocean, we knew what we had become, defying our own emotion, pretending land was our own. Couldn't embrace the notion.
Skål!
Herregud så nice. Kom, ja kom. Hela vägen upp här. Ja. Stopp nu på den benen. Har du sett vad fint det är här borta? På andra sidan så har du alla glaciärer. Tack. It's so nice now that the sun is on the cabin so much earlier. But it also means that midnight sun is coming. So we're gonna have the sun on the cabin from at the end of April for 4 months, constantly almost. And that means no more cozy evenings. They don't exist, but it's okay. It actually feels really nice to see the sun. But I can also tell how tiring it is because I'm just so not used to it. But it's okay, I'll wear sunglasses. It's so beautiful. What is this?
Thank you so much for watching this video and being here on my channel. I appreciate you all so much. If you want to see more content from me, head to my Patreon where I have tons of exclusive videos like Q&A sessions with Christopher, coffee chats, and tons more. Also, feel free to let me know in the comments what kind of topics and videos you would like to see more from me. I'm always up for some suggestions. So have an amazing day and I will see you next week. Okay, bye!